Hey there folks, this is Solid Autotek, and we're out in the parking lot showing you some of the heavy work we do. You might see a frame sitting around here, or if you come inside, you might see a vehicle body off, or motors, or transmissions, or whole cradles sitting apart. Well, why is this important? Really, it's not that it's that important of how heavy of service we do. What we try and strive to do is make sure that we do the most thorough inspections possible on every vehicle every time. Now, if you're in a hurry, you might be at a quick lube type place that advertises based on time, not how thorough of a job they do. But here at Autotek, we make sure that every vehicle gets a complete and thorough inspection every time. We know what concerns you have, we listen to them, and we look for them. One thing you might not think about, did you know that on your new electric vehicles, your average vehicle weighs 44% more, and those struts, tires, and brakes are getting worn out 3 to 4 times as fast? We're looking out for you. Come and see us with your vehicle, electric or internal combustion, and we'd be happy to make sure that you get the perfect inspection every time to keep the cost of repairs down and those maintenance bills consistent.